I was traveling from Morgantown back to Wetzel County on Route 7. And I was getting ready to come through this little town called Hundred. Hadn't quite gotten there yet, and it was super late at night, probably midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. And I'm driving on, if you've ever been on Route 7, it's middle of nowhere. There's nothing for miles and miles. And I'm driving these like curvy, hilly little back roads. And all of a sudden I come around this turn and I see something walking on the white line to my right. And I'm looking at it, and it's huge. It's this big dark blob, and it's huge. And its shoulders and head are pretty much up high enough that I can see them through my passenger side window.